Genevieve, welcome to the channel, and I hope you guys are doing well today. I'm coming to you with another easy to do beginner friendly unit. If you want to see more on this unit, please continue to watch. So this is a unit by Red Carpet. This is their Inspire braid lace wig with the 4x4 free parting with baby hairs, and I have it in the style RCIB 212 Bahama twist 14 inches. And I have it in the color T1B/30. So here is that. And it says the benefit of this wig is pre-styled and ready to wear, 4x4 lace coverage, baby hairs, not free braids, pre-stretch, no irritation or odor, breathable fabric, maximum comfort. And it's a premium synthetic wig. Now, it doesn't say anything about being heat safe, so I wouldn't put heat onto this unit. Let's talk about the cons. I wish they would have braided it further to the root of the hair because it leaves a bit of a space right here. And another con is it's supposed to be a 4x4. Technically, it is a 4x4, but not in the sense of a true 4x4 because you pretty much only get the 4x4 right here, and as it gets, and then 4x4 this way, but as it gets further back, it actually comes in smaller. So it's 4x4 here, but then it actually comes in smaller, like a U, and it technically becomes like a 4x3, if you get what I'm saying. That's another bummer. I wish it was a true 4x4. Nevertheless, I do think this is a good unit. Probably I wouldn't purchase it in this colorway again. I'll probably purchase it in one of the natural tone colors because of the way it looks here and because of the spacing. And I believe with the natural tone color, you can get away with that. I know I'm able to work with it and be able to retwist at least the ones within the parting space. Another thing is the color. When it said T1B30, I was assuming the top was 1B and it went into like an ombre effect, but this is not that unit. So it's pretty much blended in. Honestly, it's more of 30 than it is on the side of T1B30. This is a very, very lightweight unit. This is perfect for every day. You do get lace from ear to ear with your baby hairs. Comes with your standard combs, 2 at the front, 1 at the back, and adjustable straps. I do feel like this is a big head friendly unit. Now, another thing, just a little tip for you guys. When you get it straight out the pack, it is a bit bulky. Now, if you like that, kudos to you. But if you don't like the bulk and you want to remove some of the bulk, what you can do is use a blow dryer on a hot setting, but make sure you have the cool shot button so that way you don't overheat the hair and melt the hair. So you want to just go into where you want to remove some of that bulk and you just go in with the blow dryer and you're good to go. So, I mean, it's just a little maintenance if you want a certain look. But overall, I do like this unit. I will probably repurchase it again because I do really love the look of it. Honestly, I actually really do like this color. I just wish it had darker roots. Yeah, so I'm gonna give you that close-up and then a 360. As you can see what I was saying, the knots are fairly unnoticeable. See, I put a little powder here. It's just this piece here. I wish they would have went closer to the roots when it came to the twist. That is honestly my only con. You can part this anywhere within that. As you can see, you hit tracks over here. And this is the parting that it comes fixed with. So obviously you see that it gets smaller. So it's not much in the way of parting at the top. So you got some more, but then you hit tracks. So pretty much you hit tracks right in here. And then, like I said, it gets smaller and smaller as you get towards the back. But let's get into this color. I do think it's a gorgeous color. You got the brown. It's almost like it's a 30 going into, actually it's more of a, I want to say a 6 going into a 30. But it's a gorgeous unit. So let me go ahead and give you that 360. Let me know what you guys think. If you like her, you're a purchaser. If this is something that you would need to be a fuss-free, she-ready slay, then this might be the wig for you. If not, I have other videos, check those out. If you have any comments, leave that down in the comment section below. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. I'll leave all information and link to purchase this unit down below, so don't forget to check out the description box. If you want to keep up to date with me and know when I'm coming out with more videos and you want to support your girl, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click that notification. You'll stay up to date when I upload new videos. And if you want to follow me on my social media platforms, Annette Beauty on Instagram, Visionary Beauty is my Facebook group on Facebook. And I hope to see you guys all there. Please stay safe and take care of yourself. And as always, stay fabulous and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time, bye.